Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have got you another video where I will be showing you how you can easily get logged in, signed into your Hulu account. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we will simply dive into our video. So if you want to do so, you will have to go to your mobile phone and go ahead, launch your phone browser right there, and you will go to the search bar option given and simply type in Hulu, www.hulu.com or simply hulu.com, and then you will simply go ahead and search it up. And as you can see, this kind of interface will open up, right? So if you want to log in, what you will do is simply tap on this three horizontal line given, simply tap on that icon, and you can say get the Hulu app, log in, get this. You can simply go ahead and download, install the Hulu app and get logged in there as well. Or you can simply go ahead, go to your browser and tap on this login option given right there, and this will lead you to this particular interface right there. So what you will do is simply go ahead, add in your email address, and the other thing that you can do is simply go ahead and add in your password, and then you can simply say this forgot your email or password. In case you have forgotten any of the information of your account, you can simply go ahead, tap in there, get your email address, enter your email or your password, what you remember, what you try now get back, simply add in the information, get your code, and you can simply again get back your account's password or the email that you have forgotten. And then once you're done with all of the information, then you can go ahead, tap on this login option given in the black box right there, and you will simply be able to get back to your account. So yes guys, this is it. This is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful. If you got more questions, do leave them in the comments below, and yes, I will see you guys next time.